We have complex fraction. First, let's see what we have here in the numerator. We have 4y squared, 7xy, 3xy. So if we forget for the second about x's, we can treat this expression in the numerator like quadratic trinomial, and we can try to factorize by using grouping method. So let me copy our numerator from the numerator. So we have 4y squared minus 7xy plus 3x squared. Next, let me rewrite this expression without x's. So it will be 4y squared minus 7y plus 3. And now let's multiply coefficient before y squared is 4 times constant 3. This is equal 12. So now we have to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have 12. And when I add these two numbers, I need to have coefficient before y is negative 7. So it will be negative 4 and negative 3. So now we come back to our expression. 4y squared we have to copy, and negative 7xy we will rewrite by using these two numbers which we found. So it will be negative 4xy and negative 3xy. Still is negative 7xy. I didn't change anything, I just rewrite, and now we can, and I have to copy 3x squared, and we have 4 terms, so we can try to factorize 4y squared minus 4xy. So I will factorize 4y, and in parentheses will be y minus x. From the last two terms I will factorize negative. Of course I have to put here plus 3. So I will factorize negative 3x now. So in parentheses I will have y minus x. So now we can factorize y minus x, and in parentheses we will have 4y minus 3x. So now the same I will try to do with the expression in the denominator. We have 6x squared minus 5xy minus 4y squared. Now, because I have at the beginning 6x squared, so I will forget for the second about y's. So it will be 6x squared minus 5x minus 4. So now I have to multiply coefficient before x squared times constant. So 6 times negative 4 is equal negative 24. So I need to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have negative 24. And when I add these two numbers, I need to have coefficient before x is negative 5. So it will be negative 8 and 3, of course. So now we can come back to our expression. 6x squared we have to copy, and negative 5xy we will rewrite using these two numbers. So it will be negative 8xy plus 3xy. You see it's still negative 5xy. I didn't change anything. And of course minus 4y squared. So this is equal. We will factorize 2x from the first two expressions, so it will be 3x minus 4y, and from last two terms I will factorize 1, so in parentheses we will have y, of course. So in parentheses I will have 3x minus 4y. So now we can factorize 3x minus 4y, and whatever left will be in the second parenthesis. So this is 2x plus y. Now we can come back to our complex fraction. This is equal. We can rewrite our denominator to this 4 and in the denominator this expression to that. And also I will change this to division because fraction bar means division, so we have to, let me copy first this 4y squared minus 7xy, we have plus 3x squared over y plus 2x. Fraction bar means division, so we have division and we have to copy the numerator, so this is 6x squared minus 5xy minus 4y squared, and we have over x minus y, so this is equal. Now we will substitute numerator in the first fraction by that expression, so it will be y minus x times 4y minus 3x over, we have y plus 2x. We cannot reduce anything here. In parentheses we have different terms, and division sign we will change to multiplication, and we have to now flip this fraction, algebraic fraction, so it means denominator will go to numerator, so we have x minus y, and in the denominator we will have now this whole term, so I will change this to that because this is the same, so this is 3x minus 4y times 2x plus y. If you multiply every expression in parentheses, in the first parenthesis, by every expression in the second parenthesis, and you combine the like terms, you will get exactly what we have at the beginning, this whole term. So this is equal. Now when we multiply numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. And what else we can do? Because we have multiplications, we can check if we have something in parentheses what we can reduce. At that moment we don't have anything, but we have here 4y minus 3x, and in the denominator we have 3x minus 4y. We have different sign. We have positive 4y and negative 4y. Negative 3x and positive 3x. So it means if we factorize negative sign from this expression, we will get exactly the same what we have in the denominator. And what else we have? We have here y minus x, and we have x minus y. We can put in parentheses. So again, different sign before the same variables. So if we factorize negative sign, we will have the same expressions. And what else? We have y plus 2x and 2x plus y, so we can write, but this is 2x plus y or y plus 2x. It will be the same. So let's start from the beginning. We have y minus x and x minus y. So I will factorize negative sign from this first term. So this is equal. I will put this negative sign in parentheses, it's like negative 1, and I will have next negative y plus x, and like I said, because we have 3x and negative 3x, negative 4y and positive 4y, so again from the second term I will factorize negative sign, so I will put negative 1, and in parentheses I will have negative 4y plus 3x. When I multiply by negative 1, I will have exactly the same what I have at the beginning. I didn't change anything. And we have times x minus y. And in the denominator we have y plus 2x times 3x minus 4y. And like I said, we have 2x and y, so first I will put y and next 2x. So this is equal. negative and negative. We have multiplication, so we can cancel out this. And now, first I will put positive variable, next negative, so we have x minus y. The same I will do in the second term. In parentheses will be 3x minus 4y times x minus y over, we have, and now y 2x times y 2x, so we have y2 plus 2x to second power, and we have 3x minus 4y. Now we see that in numerator and in denominator we have same expressions, so we can cancel out, will be 1 and 1, and we have x minus 1 times x minus 1, so this is equal x minus 1 to second power times 1. It doesn't change anything, so we don't have to put, and we have 1 times y plus 2x to second power, so this is y plus 2x to second power. This is my solution. We cannot reduce anything. We can only take to second power of this expression. This is my solution.